This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notification on. And if you hit that like button, double check it's working properly, because you know these bad actors are working overtime to suppress the channel, because they're terrified of more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Guys, listen. GNS CEO is not playing no games with these naked shorters. He's not playing no games with these market manipulators. He is looking for justice for GNS shareholders, and he wants to hold the bad actors accountable. He wants them to stop engaging in questionable activity that decreases the value of GNS shares. And here's the thing. I applaud him. I am so proud of this guy. Because a lot of these CEOs don't have the balls to go after these Wall Street giants, okay? They don't have the balls to do it. Could you imagine if AMC Adam Aaron had a quarter of the balls that the GNS Josh Hamilton CEO had? Do you know what the price of AMC would be right now if, when they engaged in the shenanigans with AMC 5 years ago, he filed a lawsuit and went after these bad actors? We would be looking at a different price of AMC right now. But everybody knows by now that GNS filed a class action lawsuit against Citadel and Virtue. But now the GNS CEO is sending demand letters to Charles Schwab, to Fidelity, to Robinhood, to Vanguard, to tell them to stop killing the buy button. Because I guess he considers it some type of manipulation where you can sell very, very easily, but it's becoming very, very difficult to buy GNS on these platforms. And these demand letters, in my opinion, and this is just my opinion, they are a warning that if you keep killing the buy button, a lawsuit might be incoming. Okay? A lawsuit might be incoming. Guys, in my opinion, what GNS CEO Josh Hamilton is doing is major news. Not just for GNS, but for AMC, for GME, for NWBO, for BINI, for all the stocks that have been naked shorted to death. And you want to know why? They're going to expose all their dirty little secrets in a court of law. And when they do that, the SEC, the DOJ, the FBI won't be able to practice willful blindness anymore. They won't be able to say that we don't know about the fraud and corruption, because here it is in broad daylight in a lawsuit in federal court. The evidence is right there. And at that point, I believe, and this is just my opinion, a lot of these naked shorters are going to start trying to close their naked short positions. And here's the thing. A lot of them don't have the cash to do it. They don't have the cash to go into open market and buy back those shares. And when that happens, we're going to see margin calls. Then there's going to be forced liquidation of the additional assets. And a few of them might end up running to bankruptcy court for protection, or running to Congress for their buddies to bail them out. The bottom line is this. GNS CEO sending demand letters to Charles Schwab, to Fidelity, to Robinhood, to Vanguard is great news for retail investors. Even if you're not in GNS, I believe this is going to have a positive impact on all the companies that are being naked shorted and manipulated by these bad actors. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think it's great that GNS CEO is sending demand letters to brokers to tell them to stop killing the buy button on GNS shares? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.